When was the last time you bought new clothes? Did you think about who made it or how much water it took to make it? Chances are the answer is no, but that needs to change. Hey, I'm Sarah. Let's talk fast fashion. What it is, why it's bad, and why you need to be a part of the solution. You are the only way this gets better. So, what is fast fashion? It's cheap clothes made quickly and sold by mass market stores. We like these clothes because we can buy a lot of them for really low prices, but they're such poor quality that they wear out and fall apart really quickly and become garbage. It's disposable clothing. And we're not even wearing the clothes we buy. 40% of clothing is never worn. Think about that. Almost half of your clothes you don't wear. You guys, this has a huge impact. One garbage truck full of clothing, that's 530 garbage bags, is being burned or dumped into a landfill every second. So why is this bad? Fast fashion is using up our limited resources. It creates 20% of global wastewater, which is fresh water that is now unusable. It's a major contributor to global warming. It releases 1.2 billion tons of carbon every year. It's polluting the oceans with as much plastic as 50 billion plastic bottles every year. We can't survive without clean water and air, and fast fashion is wasting that. People are dying at work making our clothes. Most of the people making our clothes are being exploited and physically, verbally, and/or sexually abused. They work in awful conditions every day and aren't even paid enough to live. This is not okay. Like in 2013, a factory building in Bangladesh collapsed and killed over 1,000 workers. This kind of thing is still happening all over the world. When we buy from a brand, we directly support everything they do, including environmental and social crimes. So, what are we going to do about this? We need sustainable and ethical clothing to stop these problems and people like you to demand change. There are simple ways you can make a big difference. First, buy less, buy better. That's the biggest thing you can do to reduce your impact, and it's literally just not buying something. It's that easy. Second, shop ethically and learn how to buy better. Third, start thrifting. Basically, it's recycling but for clothes, and you can find stuff that nobody else has. Fourth, educate yourself. Ask who made my clothes. Know where your clothes are coming from and how they're made. Next, sell or donate your old clothes so they can stay in use and out of a landfill. Last, take your clothes to a tailor to have them fixed, or even repair them yourself. Just don't throw them away. I think we can all agree fast fashion is bad. The clothes don't last and they pollute the earth. People are dying all over the world because of fast fashion. But it doesn't have to stay this way. We can fight these problems by buying less, buying better, shopping at second-hand and sustainable stores, and selling or donating our old clothes. The most sustainable clothing is what you already have. Remember, together we can change things, and it starts with you.